Well, as we slip into the weekend, we obviously have our hands full. And stay tuned right here to myfoxcleveland.com. Even through the day Saturday, Melissa Mack is going to be here in the morning, and we'll have Brad Sussman coming in the afternoons. We got you covered from top to bottom, and we'll keep you apprised of what's going on. Here's, first of all, a look at radar. Now, the radar in the late Friday hours and almost into early Saturday morning showing the first wave of heavy snow pushing off to the northwest in this narrow band up in here. We can get a better feel for it by taking a look at this. You can see that that first wave is now pushing into the northeast, but there's obviously something trailing. Let's take a look at it. We'll tilt the map, and we've got an area of low pressure which is still hanging back in Mississippi and northern Alabama. It's now beginning to tap into a lot of moisture in the Gulf Coast, and that little area of heavy snow is going to be riding northeast, and that's what's going to cause our problems, especially on Saturday morning. Now, we have a winter storm warning in effect for all of the viewing area. Winter weather advisories well south. Look at that blizzard warning in the southwestern corner of Ohio, also into southeast Indiana, northern Kentucky. But in addition to our winter storm warning, let's go ahead and show you what else we got going on. Those counties highlighted right there, also under a blizzard watch. That begins at 4 a.m. Saturday, goes through Saturday evening, and that is for that second area of snow which we expect to pick up lots of moisture, toss it into the colder air just right. Those counties, Lake Geauga, Cuyahoga, and then Medina, Holmes, Wayne County, on west, will be in for some pretty hefty snows, I figure, in the Saturday morning to early Saturday afternoon period. Here's the area of low pressure. It's actually right in here. The moisture feed is taking place. The heavy snow right in here, you can see it with the enhancement. That will be charting a course right over Cleveland, again beginning early Saturday morning, going into Saturday evening. And temperatures obviously are going to stay cold enough for all of this event to be snow. There'll be no mixing here, and you'll have to go too far south to be of any great concern or any great mixing that will hold back accumulations. There's the back edge of the snow for Saturday evening, clearing in the west, which will be here for the weekend. Let's show you the maps in motion. This is the area right in here which has the greatest dynamics going on. A lot of heavy snow starting to form in here. And we'll go ahead and put this into motion. Notice that it goes right through Saturday morning, but this is Saturday evening. The heaviest snow by then will be to our northeast. The snow will be tapering off to flurries, and obviously at that point the cleanup will begin. For tonight, periods of snow. A lot of that 3 to 5 inches for the overnight has already occurred, so this will be a total for the overnight period, 3 to 5 on top of what we saw on Friday. For the day Saturday, snow continues. As a matter of fact, it's going to start to pick up, and it could be heavy at times. That blizzard watch could easily become a blizzard warning if conditions warrant. High tomorrow, only 28 degrees for Saturday, and the totals, when all is said and done and the last flake flies, 8 to 16 inches or more, especially up the I-71 corridor and up the I-77 corridor north of Canton. If you live in between those two, you're in prime spot for that heavy snow. The snow quits early Sunday morning. We could even see some sun, but look how cold it stays. We're in March, though, and March means that even with storms of this magnitude, you'll see temperatures often shoot up into the 40s, and that's what's going to happen by the middle of next week. So some of the melt-off will begin at that point in time. Obviously, a lot going on. MyFoxCleveland.com, right here, right through the weekend. We got you covered from A to Z, and we'll monitor the situation for you.